Hi guys, today I'm doing a very special tablescape. It's Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor's birthday, and the theme she chose is white and gold. This is an open collaboration to celebrate her birthday, so come along guys and let me show you what I did. Okay guys, to start, I'm using this base white tablecloth. I got this from the dollar store and I've used this many times. The white is going to allow the gold accents to stand out. Next, I'm adding these gold chargers, and these I got at Walmart some time ago and they were about $1 each. Next, guys, I'm layering on these white beaded rim dinner plates, and this set I got from Michael's. They are plastic, but they are just so cute, and I think they're quite suited for this special occasion. Next, I'm adding the salad plates, and the white against the gold will just keep things looking bright and elegant. I really do love these plates. So for the napkins, I'm going to do a simple fold. I'm just going to be doing the bow fold. So these napkins I got from Amazon. They are 20 by 20, so they are big and the quality is pretty good. So I fold the napkin in half and then I fold it in half again, and then I'm just going to gather it and put my napkin ring on. Once the ring is added to the center, I'm just going to fluff it out, and that will give a very beautiful bow. So I went ahead and did all the napkins, so now I'm just going to add them on top of my plates. Now you can see how big the bows are because it's a bigger napkin, but I really do love the size. I think they're just a statement piece on their own. Next, I'm adding these gold tone utensils to go along with the theme. If you've gotten this far in the video guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. Now for my centerpiece guys, I'll be doing a mini balloon runner centerpiece. So I have these balloons, they're gold 5-inch balloons. I got these from Amazon. The white ones I had before, maybe I got them from Amazon as well, I can't quite remember. To start, I'm going to be inflating my balloons, so I'm going to start by giving 2 pumps of air to each balloon, and then I'm going to tie them in dupes, and then I'll be putting them in a quad. They don't have to be symmetrical. Different sizes are okay for this type of runner, so it's okay if they're not looking totally equal. I'm going to go ahead and do another set, so I'm going to inflate 2 and then tie them together. I'm also going to make sure my balloons are rounded, so to do that, to make sure they're looking round, I'll give the bottom a little bit of squeeze or push it a little bit against the table. So I made some of the balloons a little bit bigger to get a more organic look. So they are still the same 5-inch balloons that I'm using. And if you don't have 5-inch balloons available, guys, you can use a 9-inch or a 10-inch balloon. Just inflate them to the size that you want. So I have all my balloons inflated. So to make the quad, I connected them at the necks and then I'm going to twist, and that's how you make the quad. So I'm just showing you here that I mixed the colors to get the gold and white going through the runner. So some have 2 whites, some I have 1, some is just a single bunch of gold, which is the main color. I also did 9 quads in total, which would be 36 balloons. So I'm going to be connecting my quads, and to do that I'm just going to take one of the necks from each quad and tie it together. So I'll be doing somewhat like a mini garland. So I chose the balloon centerpiece, guys, because it's a unique alternative to the traditional floral centerpiece. And hey, it's a birthday celebration, so bring on the balloons. There's just no celebration, guys, without balloons, so I hope Hannah will like this. So this is how it's looking, guys, and you could actually make this longer if you wanted to. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay this down the center of the table. I have these greenery that I'll be adding to the centerpiece as well to bring some softness and texture. So now I'm going to be tucking them throughout the balloons. It's going to give this a fresh, elegant finish, and a little greenery does brighten the table by bringing a pop of color. And just a little note, guys, if you want the balloons to be more stable and not move at all, you could fill 2 of your balloons with water. It's called a water weight, and you tie it to the bottom of the balloons, and that would keep it in place. But I am inside. There's no wind or anything that would blow these balloons away, so I did not add any weights. I'm really loving how it's coming together so far, guys. I'm adding these drinking glasses to keep everything looking clean, and I also did add some wine glasses, which you will see in the final reveal. So guys, I did add some candlestick holders to the center of the balloon runner because candles really do bring a certain level of coziness and warmth to a table. So I wanted to add some candles. Now, if you're going to be doing this, you would want to use like LED candles. If you're going to be using real candles, just keep them a little distance from the balloons. So this is how it turned out, you guys, and I really love this. The runner is both elegant and festive, and I love how the gold and white came together. So let me know what you think, guys. And Anna, I really do hope you enjoyed this tablescape, and I want to wish you a very happy birthday and many more to come. We do appreciate you for putting all these collaborations together. Don't forget to leave me a comment, guys, and let me know what you think. And I want to thank you so much for watching and catch you in the next video. Bye.